Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of grooming and personal care products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Wyklaus 7D Head Shaver, a multifunctional grooming kit designed specifically for bald men and anyone looking to achieve a smooth, clean shave. In this review, we'll be breaking down its features, real-world performance, and how it stacks up against other grooming tools on the market. Let's get into it. The Wyklaus 7D Head Shaver is a 5-in-1 grooming kit packed with everything you might need for a smooth, hassle-free shave. It includes the main head shaver, a hair trimmer, a nose hair trimmer, a cleansing brush, and a sideburn trimmer with combs in 3, 5, and 7mm sizes. Designed with versatility in mind, it's suitable for both home and travel use, ensuring you're ready for a quick touch-up whenever needed. The shaver itself features a 7D floating shaving head that promises a closer shave by increasing the shaving area. Along with that, the double blade and double protective net are meant to minimize irritation and provide a precise, smooth shave. And with an LED intelligent display, you can easily track your battery life and other features. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I've tested the shaver for a few weeks, and it definitely performs well, but there are a few things to note. Setting up the Wyklaus shaver was a breeze. It comes with all the necessary attachments and is ready to go once charged. The 7D floating head design does live up to its promise of covering more surface area and cutting down on shave time. It glides easily across the skin, even on tougher spots like the back of the head, thanks to the ergonomic handle. I tested it in both dry and wet conditions, and I was impressed by its performance in both scenarios. When used with shaving foam, the shaver provides a smoother, more comfortable shave. On dry skin, it's efficient but slightly rougher on the skin. As for the nose and sideburn trimmers, they are surprisingly effective. The nose hair trimmer does the job without pulling, which can sometimes be a problem with other devices. The sideburn trimmer also offers a precise cut, but it's a bit tricky to maneuver around the contours of the face, especially if you're not used to these kinds of attachments. Now, let's go through the pros and cons. Pros: versatility. The 5-in-1 kit is great for handling various grooming tasks with just one device. Efficiency. The 7D floating head shaver covers a lot of ground and is relatively quick, making it a solid option for those on the go. Waterproof. Whether you prefer a wet shave with foam or a quick dry shave, the shaver performs well in both conditions. Plus, the waterproof design makes it easy to clean. Battery life. The 600 mAh battery provides up to 60 minutes of shaving time, which is decent for regular use. It's also quick to charge in about 2 hours. Cons: grip. While the handle is non-slip, it could be slightly more ergonomic for people with larger hands. Sideburn trimmer. The sideburn trimmer attachment feels a little awkward to handle, especially around tricky areas like the jawline. Shaving experience. While efficient, the dry shave isn't as smooth as using shaving foam. If you're looking for a perfect, irritation-free shave, the wet shave is the way to go. Is this review helpful? If you're finding this insight useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other grooming enthusiasts can find this video and make informed choices. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Wyklaus 7D Head Shaver is priced in the mid-range, which seems justified given its features. You get a multifunctional tool that can replace several separate grooming products. The fact that it includes a nose trimmer and sideburn attachment adds extra value. And the waterproof design means you can take it in the shower without worrying. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, they may not offer the same versatility or the level of performance that this one delivers, especially in terms of its 7D shaving head. If you're looking at similar products, there are a few head shavers in this price range, but most lack the multifunctional nature of the Wyklaus shaver. Some are more specialized in just head shaving, while others don't perform as well in wet conditions. If you're just after a simple, dry head shaver, there are cheaper options, but they won't offer the same level of comfort or versatility. The Wyklaus really shines with its 5-in-1 kit and is a solid choice if you want an all-in-one grooming solution. The build quality of the Wyklaus 7D Head Shaver feels solid for the price point. The materials used in the shaver are durable, and the waterproof feature is an excellent addition for longevity. As for the longevity of the product itself, it's hard to say without long-term use, but based on the feel and performance, it seems built to last, especially with regular care and cleaning. Customer support wasn't something I had to interact with for this product, but Wyklaus has a reputation for offering reliable support for its range of grooming products. Wrapping things up, the Wyklaus 7D Head Shaver is a versatile grooming kit that performs well across different tasks. It's great for those who want an all-in-one solution for their shaving and grooming needs. Its unique 7D floating head design provides an efficient shave, though the sideburn trimmer and dry shave could use some improvement. The price is reasonable considering the range of features, making it a solid option for anyone who's looking to invest in a reliable head shaver with a bit more functionality. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you have any questions or thoughts on this product, or if you already own the Wyklaus Head Shaver, leave a comment down below. The link to get your own is in the description box. And until next time, keep looking fabulous and shaving smooth, Beautyistic style.